how to do basic Discord chat commands. So from within a Discord chat, whether it's a message or a text channel, you can go ahead and within the text field, all you have to do is do a / and then it will give you a list of different commands you can use. So just a few of them that we can use. We have me, which basically says it displays the text with emphasis. So this is a great way to just italicize whatever you're writing. So we'll go ahead and do that, and then we'll just do, this is a test, and it puts it in italics. So it has emphasis. Okay. Then what else we can do is we can also go back, do it again, and it of course gives us more options as well. We could do unflip, which appends this to your message. So I can do that, and then I'll do, this is a test again, and we'll see that the unflip, setting the table back down, is put there. Let's do another one. Let's see here. Let's do spoiler. And you notice that it's now blacked out the text, but if we click on it, it will then show it to us because it's a spoiler. Okay. So let's do one more just for the hell of it. Let's see here. Let's just do the table flip. Okay. Table flip. This is a test. And now I've done that. And one more for good measure. Let's just do Giphy. This is a test. And it gives you GIFs that match that. So, boom. This is a test. So that is how you do simple Discord chat commands in, obviously, Discord.